Hello my lovely viewers, welcome to Zinat Kitchen. I am Zinat and today it's not about cooking. I want to share a little new gadget that I have in my kitchen with you. Stay tuned please and I will show you what it is. Here it is guys. It's my new Ninja Foodi. It's not new in the market, but in my kitchen this is a new piece of gadget. I am so happy with that. I am going to show you what are the things that you can do with it, how many recipes you can do, and how useful it is in the kitchen. This is all what you get together with your Ninja Foodi. You get this together in the box, just to do when you do the grilling. You can put that, both sides, either this way or that way. It comes together in the box. And this one is my personal one. If you think you must use a small one, you can use your own. This is mine. And you have the grilling basket, crisping basket, sorry, the crisping one. And this is also detachable, the leg. This we do all the chips, the fritters in that. Plus you have this bowl. This is any cooking you do, this is the main one that has to stay in the Ninja Foodi. It stays inside. And this is a Ninja Foodi with the 2 lids. Yeah, you heard me right, 2 lids. This is a pressure cooker lid. This is a lid that is permanently attached to the Ninja. This is for crisping and grill. And this one is the pressure cooker lid. You have a little function here that tell you that this is on seal and this one is on vent. When it is on vent, it releases all the steam, and you will see a little knob here. When there is steam, it is right up. Once the steam is finished, released, it will go down. Then you know it is safe to open the pressure cooker. Okay, when you want to put the pressure cooker, you just open the permanent lid, and then you see there is an arrow here. You have to just fix it like that together. One is here, I don't know if you can see it. There is one arrow here and one here. And it clicks, so it is locked. And once you finish cooking, you can just wipe it with a damp cloth. But this one is removable. And this is very important. You use less oil when you use this. The fritters you do is you just spray a little bit of oil and make some chips. And I have done a few recipes in that. I find it very interesting. I'm still trying to get used to it. Very soon we will share recipes with you. Here you have 9 functions. All the features are here. It does a pressure cook, it does a steam, and slow cook, sear and saute, air crisp, grill, bake and roast, and dehydrate. What is very nice is it comes with this book which is full of recipes, and there is a cooking chart at the back which help you for the timing and the weight of the cooking that you want to do. If you want to roast the chicken, the weight and the timing, they tell you everything on that, which is very handy. And also you get a lot of recipes, and it does not take long. Everything is quick and fast comparing to an oven. I have done a few dishes in that, which was very nice. I have done some chips I did, and I did roasted chicken, which was very juicy and very quick. I think about 20 minutes it took to roast the chicken, and then another 20 minutes to crisping. And I did also some sauté vegetable, and a few things also I have done which was very good. And once I get to know it well, I will share recipes with you. So maybe my next recipe will be from the Ninja Foodi. That's all for today guys. I hope you can comment and let me know if you want anything for me to do in that for you, any recipe. And please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and let me know if you have enjoyed the video. And I'll be very happy to share some more recipes with you next time. I'll see you in my next video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye-bye.